Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to send money with Zelle on Chase. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Pay and Transfer. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Pay Bills and Send Money with Zelle. Click on Pay Bills and Send Money with Zelle. Now, you will see your Zelle recipients. Beside the name of the recipient, you will see a Pay button. Click on Pay. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Next, on the Pay From field, choose the account you want to use by clicking the drop-down arrow next to it. After that, select the date. You may state the purpose of the transfer, but it is just optional. Once entered, click on Next. Now, verify the recipient and read the following reminders. After that, click on the tick box beside I've read and understand the above. Then click on Keep Payment. So after reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Send Money. That's how you send money with Zelle on Chase. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.